Number 3.
Number 3. Please show us what is behind number 3. How long did Ala Hazrat Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi take in memorizing the Holy Quran? And your time
Only
will
30
start
Only 1
now.
month. Only 1 month.
So far.
30 days.
I like the way you said this. Only 1 month.
30
Only
days.
1 month.
1 month.
1 month.
So 1 month can be 29 days, 1 month can be 28 days, 1 month can be 30 days. According to the days, what you would say?
30 days.
30 days. Sure.
Yeah, lock it.
Lock it. Dear viewers of Madani channel, normally people take 1 year, 9 months, 8 months. These are common things, Asad Bhai, that we have also heard people becoming huffaz. But according to the information and according to the answer of the Ajmeri team, Ala Hazrat Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi became a hafiz of the entire Quran in how many days?
30 days.
30 days. And the answer for this question is correct, subhanallah.
Subhanallah.
Yes, dear viewers of Madani channel, did you know this? That Ala Hazrat Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi became a hafiz of the entire Quran just within 1 month. Asad Bhai, what would you like to add to this? I mean, people want to know how did he...
one of his miracles. Because
Subhanallah.
normally, apparently, it's not possible. In our time, normally children, intelligent children, they become Hafiz of Quran minimum within 2 years. Normally, this is the
It's the normal
practice.
procedure.
Yeah. If there is someone who is very intelligent, so maybe 1 year or 1.5 years. And there is another thing to be explained, that he did not used to read the Holy Quran the whole day. Even
Achha.
within those 30 days, there was a small part of the day. He memorized the Holy Quran, and some writers said that in between Maghrib or Isha, he used to read the 1 para, and in the Taraweeh he used to read the whole para. So in this way, within a month, Imam al-Sunnat Ala Hazrat Rahmatullahi Ta'ala memorized the whole Holy Quran.
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah, Subhanallah. I am really amazed, and this is indeed the karamat of Sayyidi Ala Hazrat Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Otherwise, where's 30 days, or how is it possible for one to memorize 30 siparas, 30 parts of the Holy Quran in that limited time, just in 1 month? Subhanallah.